What up, guys? And welcome back again. And today I want to show you how you can withdraw from your wallet, from your exchange to another exchange. How you can transfer any assets across different exchanges. And today we're going to transfer from our Binance Spot wallet to our FTX Spot wallet, because I finally agree with people who trade on FTX that the trading platform FTX is fantabulous, especially for the futures account. So we just go to wallets, right? When you are in your uh, Binance account, just go to wallets, fiat and spot. Okay, if you're on a phone, just go to wallets as well, fiat and spot. Go to the coin that you want to transfer. In this case, we want to transfer USDT. So USDT right there, we want to withdraw. Okay, so you come to withdraw, right? And it's guiding me how to do it, because that's how they're supposed to be, right? So right here is telling you putting the address and the network. So we go to our FTX platform, where we want now to get our to deposit the USDT. So we come to the coin itself, USDT right here, and then we say deposit, right? So once we deposit, it's gonna give us now the address that we're supposed to copy, or we can do the QR code. But now here's the tricky part. We have three different addresses here, right? And all these different addresses have different networks that they are applied to. So the first one is ERC20, which is Ethereum. The second one is TRC20, which is Tron network. And the last one right here is SPL network. I don't know. Uh, the Binance chain network. So we're going to use the Tron network because Ethereum gas fees are crazy. So we're going to use the TRC20 to send that. So we're going to copy the TRC20 and make sure it's on TRC20, guys. Make sure that you do that. Otherwise, you're going to conflict, because it's going to ask you on this side as well, right? So we come here, we paste. Okay. Once you paste that, you can see it's asking you the network, right? So if you've chosen the wrong network, guys, it's gonna be crazy. So right here, just use Tron. You can see the fee is 1 USDT, which is amazing. It's just amazing. So we just transfer 500. That's what you need right there, 501, so that you can get 500 on the other side to cover for the gas fees, right? And then yeah, we do it. Voila, withdraw. So Binance has discovered various founded individuals promoting fake quantitative trading strategies and blah, blah, blah. So make sure you don't transfer to the wrong addresses. They're just confirming to let you know that what there are scams out there. So don't just transfer funds from anywhere, nowhere you're transferring. So make sure you're always on the right network, all right? On the correct URL, okay? ftx.com, binance.com, right? It's gonna ask you for for the message on your phone. It's gonna ask you for the code. So right there, yeah, and for the email, and then once you send and confirm, because Binance is concerned about the security of its concerned of the security of its users. That's why we have we have that for the phone. Then for the email, yeah, that's super quick. 941 submit. So if it's correct, it's gonna approve and then complete. Perfect. Good. And then it's gonna take give it like 5 to 10 minutes for it to refresh. You can see here we have already, our balance is 181, which is fantastic, meaning it has gone. Binance is supposed to give you an email to confirm that transaction. You can see right here it's telling us 682 as the balance yet. Why? Because the transaction has not yet been done from Binance. It's not yet done. The money is not yet gone. It's not yet gone yet. So even when we come here, we're also gonna see that the money is not yet reflected. So we're gonna give it some time. Okay, give it some time, give it some time. If it's 5 to 10 minutes, okay, that's now the that's where uh, that's the problem with crypto right now. We have very slow transactions going on, and that's something that's not really good. But if you compare it with other ways of transferring money, Western Union, MoneyGram and all that, it's pretty much quick, right? It's pretty much fast because it's gonna take like 5 to 10 minutes, and that's how you withdraw easily from your M-Pesa, no, from one exchange to another. The same happens with MetaMask. So for instance, I wanted to deposit some USDT in my MetaMask account, right? So I have my MetaMask here. If you don't have your MetaMask, make sure you check out another video that I made clearly on how to set up your MetaMask wallet and how even to, make sure you check you're in the right network right here, right? So it's the same process, the same way. The only difference is now that you're now changing from uh, an exchange to a wallet and vice versa. So you can see here you have this um, address right here. Okay, so what you do, you can just come here and add network, right? Because we want TRC. Remember, we want Tron network, right? So just come here, and this is how you add a network. And I actually showed you to the other video, but we're gonna do it very quickly. Tron network MetaMask. Okay, we're going to add Tron network MetaMask. Okay, no, that's not. I prefer using this um, MetaMask Zenet. Okay, so it's gonna show you everything. Just go all the way down, and then you're going to wait. That's for Binance Smart Chain. I said I want. Come on, you guys are not serious. Okay, okay. So, ouch! What is that? Make sure, be very careful with links when it comes to crypto. A lot of scams going on here, so be very careful. Okay, I actually cannot see. So this means you cannot have Tron on your MetaMask wallet. Is that what it means? Let's see what Reddit has to say. Never share your secret. Okay, yeah. Okay. Anywho, the whole concept was when you come here, just copy this address. Okay. When I click here, just copy this address, and then I'll come and do the same process I did here. Right? Come, deposit or withdraw. Right? Deposit. No, you're withdrawing here from Binance. So I come and paste this address here, and because it's on the Ethereum network right now, I'm going to use the Ethereum network. You can see the fee is 35 USDT, which is crazy. That's why people don't use the Ethereum network. So this is what it is. That's how you do it. The transfers, and have